Now, a 7.5 magnitude earthquake has shaken Mexico's central Pacific coast, setting off an earthquake alarm in the capital. We've just learned at least one person has died, and there are some early reports of damage to buildings. The quake hit around 1:05 this afternoon, their time, setting off a seismic alarm that rattled Mexico City.
Now, those earthquake alarms came just hours after a ceremony took place in memory of other major quakes on this same day. A deadly 8.1 earthquake killing more than 10,000 people back in 1985. And in 2017, a 7.1 quake killed around 370 people. Again, both of those earthquakes happening on September 19th.
We've got
Otra vez 19 de septiembre.
Shit! Oh my god, everything's really flying around. Woo! Oh shit!
Acaba de vivir un temblor aquí. ¿Están todos bien, güey, aquí? No, güey, deja, pido ayuda, güey. Sí. No mames, ¿qué pedo? Güey, hay gente atrapada, güey. Puta madre. No mames.
All right, there's just an earthquake here. This was just splashing over the edge a second ago. And there was an earthquake drill literally like half an hour ago, and then an actual earthquake happens here in Puerto Vallarta. The mirror almost fell off the wall in my office on my head. You can still see it in the pool here. I mean, what are the chances that they do a drill and literally within a half an hour this happens? This is fucking crazy.
Vamos mejor para acá en medio, miren.
Tsunami warning persists here in Puerto Vallarta. Waves are about 40 centimeters higher than normal. They're warning of 1 to 3 meter high tsunami waves, but that's closer down the coast to Manzanillo. Nonetheless, the emergency order is still in place. The waves, unless it's a hurricane, I've never seen waves go over this right here. But everything seems rather calm. I guess we'll just have to find out. Keep you guys updated.
caigas, güey. Ahí quédate parado, Iván. No mames.